Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit of a vlog. I gotta go help my dad out with his car. It's got some little cosmetic issues with the rear end, so we're gonna go try and see if we can sort some of these out. But yeah, my dad's always been a huge supporter of the channel. He actually helps out a lot behind the scenes. I know I probably don't give him enough credit, but yeah, today we're gonna help my dad fix his car.
Am I nervous? Yes. I got lots to be nervous about.
For what?
I'm playing in the band tomorrow morning and I'm having surgery.
Oh yeah, that's right. Alright, so we're heading to O'Reilly's right now so we can pick up this T40 Torx with the little shock things on the hatch. Alright, so assessing the situation here, we're going to be replacing these two struts for the hatch. We're going to be replacing this tail light, and we're going to try to do something about the bumper. We're not sure what yet or if it's going to work, but yeah, that's what we're working with right now. We were going to fix this rust, but then the internet told us that the rust was cool, so that's going to stay. So as you can see, we've got our little support brace here to hold this up while we take these struts off. It looked like it was going to be a nice day, but whenever the sun goes behind the clouds, it's freezing. Is it like 20 degrees or something right now?
Yes.
We always pick the coldest days to do this type of stuff. So I just went on YouTube and I just probably watched the worst DIY video of all time on how to replace this, but it's pretty simple. It just has these little clips in here. I don't know if I'll be able to get my tool in or not, but guys, so we got the new latch struts installed. We got this new tail light. It actually came with the bulbs pre-installed, so didn't even really have to mess with those. And then as far as the bumper, it's pretty much a total loss, but I just checked eBay and they're only about $80 for a new one, so we're just gonna go ahead and order a new rear bumper. Alright, so for those of you who have been following my channel for a long time, this is my old bedroom. And it looks a lot different. The week that I moved out, my dad kind of transformed this room into sort of a man cave. So he's got his guitar stuff. He builds these model airplanes, so he's got all that stuff set up. The room used to be all black, black walls, black ceiling, but he painted it gray with these mountains and everything. Looks pretty cool. This is actually the same furniture. It used to be bright red, but he painted it dark gray, which I think looks pretty nice.
So I determined to finish one plane at a time. This is what's on the... I've been working on this almost since high school. We have a little overspray issue here and there. We also discovered when we took the mask off the nose glass and the tail glass that there's paint on the inside. So these have to somehow be carefully removed and remasked and cleaned up and painted. And you can see the plethora of little masks that have to go on to mask off the canopy. Otherwise, it'd be done. This is an actual oil pressure gauge from a B-24 Liberator bomber.
Yeah.
So here's a Subaru Sti that we've modified for street racing with the what do you call that? Camber. And we did that by grinding away the inside of the wheel so that it would fit under the fender, modifying the suspension a little. Yep, and there you have it. Tuned out.
Yeah. Let me see those brakes. Are those Brembos on there?
Oh, I think so.
Wow, they are. Nice. So this was supposed to be a model of my old car. It's a first gen Scion XB, but just like real cars, you start modifying them, you run into some kind of trouble area, and then it just kind of gets set to the side. But yeah, I think it'd be cool to finish this one. You have over here.
There's probably 200 unbuilt models. They've all been started. That's the problem. They've all been worked on to a certain extent, so I can't just up and sell them. This is a collection that I started in high school. Over here is my wall of shame, where things that don't get finished get hung up to, I don't know, die.
So it looks like chaos, but you could probably tell where everything is, right?
I know where everything is, and I know what every part of everything is.
Well, it was nice spending the day with you. I'm glad that you made some good use of my old room.
Well, I thank you for helping me out with my car.
Even though you pretty much did it all yourself and I just filmed.
Yeah, but the moron support really helps.
Yeah, the YouTube video was terrible.
That was the worst.
Yeah.
Never send your child out to make a video. Oh.
But yeah, my dad does a lot behind the scenes on the channel. Whenever you see like driving shots of the car, usually he's driving the van, Katie's driving my car, and I'm like hanging out the window with the camera.
Like a dog.
Yeah, I got wet on that last one. What else? There've been a couple of DIYs that you helped me out with, the suspension, some stuff like that. When I got those flat tires, you came out like within minutes.
Yes.
So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for that. That means a lot to me.
Parents never stop worrying about their kids.
Yeah.
Thanks, son.
Yeah, so good luck with your surgery Monday.
Yeah.
You nervous? I'd be terrified right now.
Sleepless.
Alright, well, thank you. I appreciate everything, Dave.
No problem, bud.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.